People wanted to see the spectacle. What, bitch? Out here scaring me. What about the smoke sensor power? Don't fucking do that shit. That was terrifying. I fucking hated that. God damn. Jesus, my heart went in my throat. I'm scared it's gonna beep again. My anxiety's fucking through the roof right now.
Smoke sensor error.
I might just poke this shit with my fucking... Here we go. You see this shit? You see that bitch up there? You see it? Look. Is I gotta take care of this. This sucks. Good morning, Aurora.
Smoke sensor error.
It did it again. Bro, I can't reach that. Look. Fuck. No.
Fire.
Ain't no fire.
Warning. Carbon monoxide.
What? Huh? Carbon monoxide? What the fuck is happening?